So what is lurking there in the bushes? It says... Ah! That even scared me. Good morning, I'm Bas. I live in Ukraine, I'm Dutch, and I have this channel. And I think I'm gonna change it up a little bit, because it was getting a little boring. So now I'm just gonna make things for ADHD people, I guess. Very short things. So this would be the longest piece I make, hopefully. It's like a jungle here. Ooh. And very slippery. So dobra, Lana. Oh, Jesus. Have to walk on the grass. I'm an old man. Let's talk about the weather. Well, the weather is crazy. Normally it's very dry here. Spring starts, and then it's like 30 until it's summer, and it's 40 to 50. But now every couple of days we have a huge storm with floods, and yeah, it's crazy here. I've never seen everything so green here. We have flowers everywhere. Boy, huge ticks everywhere. And mosquitoes. So that's gonna be an issue. Lana. Let's scare some snakes. Come on. Oi. You only want to walk on the road now, huh? Oh, you're such a diva. But you're my diva, huh? Oh, Mnitschko. Look how beautiful. Wow. That is an amazing butterfly. Well, see you later, alligators. Slava Ukraini.